Question 2. Function h is defined by this. Find the value of k such that h2 is 5. Okay, so if hx is kx minus 3 divided by x minus 1, that means h2 will be k times 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. So we have to sub the 2 into the x to get h2. So this will give us 2k minus 3 over 1. So the over 1 we no need to write lah. Just leave it as 2k minus 3. And this is equivalent to 5 because h2 is 5. Then from here we can solve lah. So 2k minus 3 equals to 5. Therefore k is 5 plus 3 divided by 2. So this will give us 4. Okay. And then B. H3 is k. So H3, do the same thing. Just now H2 we sub the 2 inside. So now H3 we have to sub the 3 inside. So k times 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1. So this will give us 3k minus 3 over 2. And h3 equals to k. So this whole thing equals to k. So what we can do is the 2 we can bring up here. So this one becomes 2k equals to 3k minus 3. 3k we bring here. So 2k minus 3k equals to negative 3. Negative k is negative 3. Therefore k is 3. Done. Okay. Let's erase all this. And let's look at C. hk equals to k. So again, hx is kx minus 3 over x minus 1. Therefore hk will be k times k minus 3 divided by k minus 1. So this will give us k square minus 3 over k minus 1. And hk equals to k. So this whole thing equals to k. So this whole thing we times here, we get k square minus k is k square minus 3. Then we rearrange it. So k square we bring here, it will become k square minus k square minus k is negative 3. So k square minus k square, 0 lah. So if negative k equals to negative 3, therefore k will equal to 3. Done. Bye-bye.